Io, I don't want to tell you. The truth will not give you comfort.
Say.
When you leave here, you will travel west and meet the great herdsmen who revere the heifer. But they will hunt you for your meat, and so you must run. You will run along the coast, and next you will meet the Chaldeans, who live by warm fires, eating nuts and berries.
Vegetarians, thank the gods.
But they are psychotic, and they will strip your skin off, and so you must run. Can you skip to the good part? You will meet the Amazonians and the lush fields of the Cimmerian Isthmus. But you must continue on to the dreadful waters of the Maostis, where the river smashes the skulls of travelers into a fine mist.